Good day, friends. Let's continue with our topic. In the previous video, we have seen cumulative frequency. Two types of cumulative frequencies are there: less than or equal to type, and more than type. Just go through again. What is this less than or equal to type cumulative frequency and more than type cumulative frequency? Suppose if we will have 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40, four classes, and the frequencies are suppose 5, 10, 15 and 5. For example, this is frequency, these are the classes. Now cumulative frequency CF, cumulative frequency less than or equal to lower class limit. Cumulative frequency less than or equal to, it will come cumulative frequency less than upper class limit, not lower class limit. Cumulative frequency less than or smaller than upper class limit. For that there will be addition from top to bottom. For example, cumulative frequency less than upper class limit. For this class, the upper class is 10, upper class limit is 10 and the lower class limit is 0. Cumulative frequency less than upper class limit means less than 10. So all the frequencies will come here 5. If we go to the next class, second class, cumulative frequency less than upper class limit. Here the upper class limit is 20. So less than 20 means this will come as well as this is also less than 20. So addition of these two frequencies will be here 10 plus 5, 15. In such a way, in less than upper class limit cumulative frequency, there will be addition of frequencies from top to bottom. Same way, cumulative frequency for the next class less than 30. Less than 30, this is also part of less than 30, this is also part of less than 30. So all the three we have to consider, means addition of all the three. Instead of adding these three, already we have the total of first two frequencies here. In that just we have to add the frequency of third class. So 15 plus 15 it gives 30. That is nothing but the addition of these three frequencies. Same way for the next class, cumulative frequency less than 40, less than upper class limit, will be addition of all these 30 plus 5, 35. And you can see the total of frequency, that will be also 35, and the last cumulative frequency of less than type is also 35. So this is just for cross verification. So this is example of cumulative frequency less than upper class limit. Now let us see the cumulative frequency more than type. More than or equal to. Here more than means it will be more than or equal to lower class limit. CF, that is cumulative frequency. CF, cumulative frequency more than type. More than lower class limit. In this, the addition of frequencies will be start from bottom. It will be from bottom to top. In the cumulative frequency less than type, addition was from top to bottom. Now cumulative frequency more than type, more than the lower class limit. In that, the addition will be from bottom to top. Reason behind it is cumulative frequency more than lower class limit. If we consider this first class, cumulative frequency more than lower class limit. Lower class limit is 0. Cumulative frequency more than 0 means all these frequencies will be more than 0. Frequency lies between 20 to 30, it is also more than 0. Frequency lies between 30 to 40, it is also more than 0. So if cumulative frequency more than the lower class limit it is being, and it is started with the first class, then addition of all the classes will come. So we start with last class. For the last class, lower limit is 30. Cumulative frequency more than 30, it will be 5 as it is. Next, second last class, cumulative frequency more than 20, more than lower class limit. Cumulative frequency more than 20. This class is also more than 20. So addition of these both will come 15 plus 5, it will be a 20. So here addition will be from bottom to top. In less than type we added top to bottom, and more than type it will be bottom to top. So 5 plus 15 is 20. For the next class this total is 20. 20 plus 10 it will be 30. For the next class 30 plus 5 35. And this and the total of frequency column, it will be always same. So this is just cross checking. This is nothing but the cumulative frequency less than type and more than type. Now based on this, let us continue a few sums from practice set. Next practice set of your textbook. Let us see which practice set we have to start, which is based on cumulative frequency less than type or more than type. On page number 121, page number 121, 7.4 practice set. Practice set 7.4, page number 121. First question, complete the following cumulative frequency table. We have to complete the following cumulative frequency table. Now which type is that? In the third column it is written less than type. Less than type means less than upper class limit. Always whenever it is less than, so less than upper class limit. If it is more than lower class limit. So I will write the details here to understand it better. Question number 1. First class or classes. Height in centimeter it is given. First class 150 to 153. Frequency is given. I will mention Fi. It is 5. Next class 153 to 156. The frequency is 7. Next 156 to 159. The frequency is 15. 15. Next 159 to 162. The frequency is 10. Next 162 to 165. Frequency is 5. And the last class 165 to 168. The frequency is 3. Addition of all the frequencies, that is capital M, this value is given 45. Based on this, we have to complete the third column where we have to calculate cumulative frequency less than type. Third column, cumulative frequency less than type. Less than type cumulative frequency. See, few fill in the blanks. First it is written 5. Less than type. Cumulative frequency less than upper class limit. I guess if it is less than cumulative frequency more than or equal to the lower class limit. Cumulative frequency less than upper class limit. Just a minute, I have written down on this. Less than cumulative frequency less than the upper class limit and more than or equal to the lower class limit. Yes, cumulative frequency less than upper class limit. Less than upper class limit. Less than 10, 2. Less than 20, 12. Yeah, we have to add from top to bottom. Cumulative frequency less than 153, 5. As it is. Okay, my doubt is got clear. Cumulative frequency less than upper class limit. Less than 152, it is 5. Less than 156. This will be also less than 156 because 150 to 153 is smaller than 156. So less than 156 means addition of both 5 plus 7 should come there. As per given information, first I will write the given information. 0, 5 plus dot dot is equal to dot dot. Then next is I will write a box instead of dot. Okay. Then box plus 15 is equal to box. For the next class, box plus box is equal to 37. Next is 37 plus 5 is equal to 42. And then next is box plus box is equal to 45. I think it is not in proper line, but as the Board is available. I am writing it. So for first class it is 5. For the next class it will be addition of 5 plus 7. It will come in this box 7 and 5 plus 7 total will be 12. Next, cumulative frequency less than 159. All the three addition of all the three frequencies 5 plus 7 plus 15. So 15 is mentioned here and addition of these both is already there in the previous class. That total of these two frequencies is 12. 12 plus frequency of the third class 15. 12 plus 15 it will be 27. Now 27 will come here. Addition of three frequencies plus frequency of this class is 10. 27 plus 10 it can use 37. Next 37 plus this 5 42. Next will come 42 will carry forward here plus this class frequency is 3. 42 plus 3 it gives 45. So this is cumulative frequency less than 10, less than upper class limit. Solution for 7.4, question number 1, page number 121. Come to the next page, page number 122. Here, complete the following cumulative frequency table. More than or equal to type. More than or equal to means more than lower class limit. More than or equal to 150. All the frequencies will come. Because this is also more than or more than 150. More than 150 it will also come. More than 150 this will also come. So more than 150 means addition of all the frequencies. So in this case we have to start the addition from bottom to top. Let us write first what are the given informations. Classes are given 1000 to 5000, then 5000 to 10,000. Next will be 10,000 to 15,000. Next 15,000 to 20,000 and the last is 20,000 to 25,000. Okay, the frequencies are given 45 for the first class, then 19, 19, then 16, then 2 and the last is 2. Total of the frequencies and is equal to 87 because this is going to be cross checking. Okay, here we have to find out cumulative frequency more than or equal to. More than or equal to means more than or equal to lower class limit. So we need to start the addition from bottom because cumulative frequency more than or equal to 1000. Cumulative frequency more than or equal to 1000. This is also more than 1000. This is also more than 1000. So we need addition of all the frequencies. Again I am repeating the same points which is very important. If we want to find out cumulative frequency more than type, CF, cumulative frequency more than type, we need to start addition from bottom. So cumulative frequency more than or equal to 20,000 means which frequency will come? Frequency of this class only, that is 2 as it is 2. Next, cumulative frequency more than or equal to 15,000. 15,000 is the lower class limit of second class. So cumulative frequency more than 15,000 means addition of both the frequencies. 2 plus 2, addition of these two, it will come here 4. So cumulative frequency more than 15,000 will be 4. Cumulative frequency more than 10,000, addition of all the three. This two addition is already 4. 4 plus 16, it gives to us 20. Cumulative frequency more than 10,000 will be 20, addition of these three frequencies. Cumulative frequency more than 5,000, addition of all these four frequencies. Till this addition is 20. 20 plus frequency of this class is 19. 20 plus 19, it gives 39. 39 will be the cumulative frequency less than type. So cumulative frequency more than type, more than lower class limit. And the last, cumulative frequency more than 1000, addition of all. Till here we have the total is 39. 39 plus 45, 9 plus 5, 14, 4 carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, the total is 84. And there is some problem because in the textbook the total is given 87. Just cross check it. 45, 19, 16, 2, 2. What will be the total here? 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 4, 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. Sorry, 2 plus 1 3, 4, 4 plus 4 8. So total is 84, not 87. So the correction is there in the textbook. The total of the frequency which is mentioned there, it should be 84, not 87. See, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 6 20, 20 plus 2 22, plus again 2 24. So 4 will be here, carry 2, 2 plus 1 3, 4, 4 plus 4 8. Total should be 84. So cumulative frequency total will also come here 84. So either, sorry, the mistake is done by me. For the last class, it is not 2, it is 5. Sorry. So the textbook there is no correction. In the textbook the printing is correct. I made mistake. This class should be 5. Okay. So there will be changes from beginning. So we will solve it again. Last class the frequency is 5. I have written it 2 by mistake. Okay. Let us continue now. Now the total is correct, 87. Okay. So cumulative frequency more than 20,000. Answer is here 5. Cumulative frequency more than 15,000. Addition of 2 frequencies. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. 7. Cumulative frequency more than 10,000. Addition of 3 frequencies. These 3 total. Total of these 2 is 7. So 7 plus 16. It will be 23. Next, cumulative frequency more than 5,000. Addition of frequencies till here. Till here the total is 23. 23 plus 19. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 12. So 2. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. 42. Cumulative frequency more than 1,000. Addition of all the frequencies from down till up. Till here the total is 42. 42 plus 45. 5 plus 2 7. And 4 plus 4 8. 87. And the total of frequencies also 87. See, this one is matching. So here this is the example of cumulative frequency more than lower class limit, and this was the example of cumulative frequency less than upper class limit. Less than upper class means less than 153. So we have to start the addition from top to bottom. Cumulative frequency more than type, cumulative frequency more than the lower class limit, start the addition from bottom to top. So this is the main difference. Let us continue with one more sum. We finished question number 2 of 7.4. Now let us continue with question number 3. Question number 1 and 2 was objective type. Yes, information was provided and little bit calculating terms were there, addition of few frequencies to get the cumulative frequency less than type or more than type. Now let us continue with the question number 3. In that the table is not provided. We have to form the table also, and then we have to find out the cumulative frequency as per it is asked. Data is given for 62 students in a certain class. Regarding their mathematics marks out of 100, information is about 62 students. So total of frequency should come 62. Keep it in the mind. Out of 100. So the range of data will be from 0 to 100 because marks are out of 100. So if maximum marks, then it will be 100, minimum will be 0. So data range is from 0 to 100. Second point. Next, take the classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and prepare frequency distribution table and cumulative frequency table more than or equal to type. First we have to prepare a frequency table by given classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Then after that we have to find out cumulative frequency more than or equal to. More than or equal to means cumulative frequency more than lower class limit. Cumulative frequency less than upper class limit. Cumulative frequency more than lower class limit. Cumulative frequency more than lower class. Then we have to start with addition from bottom to top. So first the classes. I will not write the data here now. I will go through textbook only one by one as you are solving it. So first requirement is classes or class. As per mention it is 0 to 10 will be the first class. Then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 70, 70 to 80 will be the next class, 80 to 90, and 90 to 100. As the marks are out of 100, we will be needing till 100. Then class mark CM. Okay, so first number is 55. 55 will come in this range. So I will mention it here. So easily we can understand for the tally marks. Okay, which group, which for which tally marks. Then 75. 75 will be in between 70 to 80 range. Next tally mark 42. 42 is above 40. Then 35. 30 to 42 it will come 77. 77 will come in 70 to 80 group. 47. 47 will come in 40 to 50 group. 60. Now see, 60 will come in this class or this class, because 50 to 60 range is here, 60 to 70 range is here. See, the question is, prepare frequency distribution table and cumulative frequency table more than or equal to, more than or equal to, more than 60 or equal to 60 means the lower class limits are counted in the same class. Cumulative frequency less than, cumulative frequency more than or equal to type. Cumulative frequency more than 60 or equal to 60. So the lower class limit are counted in the same class, not, see, lower class limit is 60, so 60 is counted here, not 60 counted in the 50 to 60 class. Cumulative frequency more than or equal to, more than 60 or equal to 60. So 60 is considered in this class. Cumulative frequency more than 20 or equal to 20. So equal to 20 also in this class, more than 20 also in this class. So what we have to do is, if 60 comes, 60 should be considered in 60 to 70 class, more than or equal to. So 160 is here, mark, class mark will come in 60 to 70 range. 95 in the last class, 58, 50 to 60 range, 40, see now 40, more than or equal to, so it will come in 40 to 50 range. 45 in the same class, 49 again in the same class, one bunch is complete, so cross line. 81 will be in 80 to 90 range. 9 will be in the first class. 31, then 75, next is 5, only 5, the first class. Next is 90, last class. 20 will come in third class, more than or equal to 20, not in the second. Then 82, second last class. 80, again in the second last class, more than or equal to 80. 23, third class. 45, new group will start. 25, 27, 47, 37, 65, 39 less than 40. 11, second class. 69 is below 70 range. 38, one bunch is complete. 45 twice. 45, 40 to 50 range. Then 78, 48 will be in this. 35, 52, 50, 97, last class. 59 less than 60 it is. 25 in the third group. 30, more than or equal to 30. 78, 7, it will be first class. 32, after 32, 46. Then 85, second last. 70, 22 it will be here. 83, 57, then 20, exact 20, 46, 27, 23 in the same class, 68 is below 70 range, 10 more than or equal to 10, 64 60 to 70 range it will come, 36 less than 40, 17 less than 20, 45. So here we finish with the tally marks. Okay, we have to prepare a frequency distribution table. So after class marks it will come frequency. So for the first class the frequency will be 3. For the second class is also frequency is 3. Third class 20 to 30, 5 plus 4 it will be 9. 5 plus 4 again 9. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 3 13. 5 plus 1 6. This will be 5, 6, 5 and the last is 3. Now the important part is addition of all the frequencies should be equal to 62 because information is about 62 students. Let us see the total. 3 plus 3 6. This 9 plus 9 18. 18 plus 6 24. 24 plus 3 27. 27 plus 6 33. 33 plus 5 38. 38 plus 6 44. 44 plus 5 44 plus 5 49. 49 plus 3 49 plus 3 52. So 2 carry 5. 5 plus 1 6. So total is 62. So for the classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and as per the tally marks and the frequency will be as per shown in this frequency distribution table. Now let us continue with cumulative frequency. I think it is asked cumulative frequency more than type. So we have to find out cumulative frequency more than or equal to, just a second. Let us come back to the question. It is prepare cumulative frequency table more than or equal to type. Cumulative frequency CF more than or equal to. More than or equal to means more than 0 all will come. More than equal to 10 all the frequencies. More than equal to 20 all the frequencies below that. So we have to start the addition from bottom. So for the last class more than cumulative frequency more than or equal to 90 it will be 3. Cumulative frequency more than or equal to 80. Addition of these two frequencies 5 plus 3 8. 70 to 80 class 8 plus 6 14. 60 to 70 class 14 plus 5 19. More than 50 that is 19 plus 6 25. More than 40 addition of 25 and 13 it will be 38. More than 30 38 plus 9 47. More than 20 47 plus 9 47 plus 9 56. More than 10 56 plus 3 59 and more than 0 59 plus 3 it will be 62. We can see that this total and total number of students available in the class it is matching, means our calculation is correct. So class cumulative frequency as per the given information and cumulative frequency more than or equal to type, more than or equal to the lower class limit. Based on this we have to answer few questions. Let us see the questions. First is how many students obtain marks 40 or above 40? So easily we can find out how many students score the marks 40 or above 40. 40 or above 40 means from here how many students score marks equal to 40 or more than 40. So these all students, and that is nothing but the cumulative frequency related to this class which will be 38. The students scores marks 40 or above 40 are 38 students. How many students obtain marks 90 or above 90? 90 or above 90 students belong to the last class. So answer is here 3 students. How many students obtain marks 60 or above 60? 60 or above 60. This class the frequency is 19. So the students are 19 students going to score the marks 60 or above 60. What is the cumulative frequency of equal to or more than type of the class 0 to 10? Cumulative frequency of the class 0 to 10, that is equal to 62. Cumulative frequency of the class, see question is what is the cumulative frequency of equal to or more than type of the class 0 to 10. So for that class the cumulative frequency it comes 62, that is addition of all the frequencies. So here we completed question number 3 of 7.4. I hope you people understood it. Cumulative frequencies are of two types: cumulative frequency less than type and cumulative frequency more than type. When we think less than type, it is cumulative frequency less than upper class limit, and cumulative frequency more than type means cumulative frequency more than the lower class limit. So I hope you understood the first 3 questions of 7.4. We'll stop it here for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.